What's up and good morning, guys. So today we have kind of a fun video. Not really for me, but the other day driving down the road going through town with my work trailer, and some guy's honking at me, beating his horn. He says, roll down your window. So I roll down the window, and he tells me that my blinkers on my truck going the opposite way as the blinkers on my trailer. So we got to see what we can do about that. So let me show you real quick. So as you can see, we've got the left blinker on the truck. Okay, come back here, the back of the trailer, no left blinker, right blinker, and it's like that on the other side as well. So now we gotta see what we can do, get that figured out. And I gotta tell you, I'm not the best at wiring, so follow along, I'll do my best. All right, so I climbed under here, unplugged it from up there. Obviously what we have going on here is not good. The last time I had wiring problems, I took it to somebody that said they could fix it, and obviously didn't do that good of a job. There's not even connectors on some of these. They're not taped up. Everything's open to the weather. I live in Michigan, so there's a lot of salt in the road in winter times, a lot of mud. I live on dirt roads, and obviously they did subpar work here. So hopefully all we got to do is cut back to new wire, strip it, and reconnect it, and hopefully she'll be all set. Okay, well, problem number one that we have is these are the only connectors I have, which they say they're for 16 to 14 gauge wire. I don't know if they're going to fit the bigger ones, so I might just temporarily doctor this up. I'll do the obvious ones that I need to do and wait until I have others so I can do it right. I mean, it's only the blinkers that are affected. The running lights, the hazards, everything like that still works. So I might just have to do it that way for now. Yeah, let's get you set. Okay, so you guys probably seen me put those connectors on there. Yeah, so turns out the green and yellow wire excuse me, are your turn signals, and the wires that they were hooked to are swapped. The bad part about that is that means that I've been driving around with opposite blinkers for probably over a year, just making people mad, I guess. Yeah, so now that I got that figured out, we'll get them buttoned up, get everything taped up, because that's all I got. I don't have any heat shrinks, so tape will be okay for now. Eventually I plan on running a whole new harness anyways, so I can utilize the bed plug, which the wires for that are stuck up here for now. Because we do have a fifth wheel trailer and a gooseneck horse trailer, so utilizing the bed plug would be ideal in those situations. So yeah, now we figured out, let's finish it off. Alright guys, so as you can see, I taped it all up. I know it's not a perfect job, but it's good enough for the time being. You can see this here, I'm sure you guys seen that hanging down. This is the license plate light. The clip in my license plate where it holds at the bumper, that broke a while back, so it's just been hanging down. I don't really see the need to fix that, to be honest with you. I've only got one ticket for it. Yeah, so easy enough job there. If you guys have any insights on any ways to do this a little better, a little cleaner, yeah, let me know. I'm open to criticism. Alright, so let's show you what we got going on here. So, left blinker. As you can see, now the left blinker's flashing. And the right blinker. Let's go make sure this one's working like it should. And the right blinker's working. I gotta get that fender replaced on that trailer. Don't mind the dirt. Like I said, we live on a dirt road. Weather's been crazy so far this year. It's kind of like spring, but some days are better. Today's supposed to be 70, tomorrow's supposed to be 40. So, you know, Michigan weather, that's what we're dealt. Try to make the best of everyday situation, but we do got to get that fixed up. I was going down the road, and there was it was a pretty narrow road. There was a dead raccoon on the side of the road, and yeah, caught it with the fender, ripped it off. So, yeah, I mean, these fenders are cheap. Look at this one. I'll show you. I mean, this one's all beat up too, but I mean, these things are flimsy. They're not really that great. The front there, that's pretty solid. But you can see I caught a dead animal here too. It was on the center line. But yeah, get a lot of miles pulling on the trailer. So I mean, there was some months last year I did 5,000 miles a month, running all over the place for work. So I mean, they rack up miles. I'll have to get it in the shop this year. Make sure I get wheel bearings done pretty soon. Spring weather's coming. I'm going to start getting real busy. So I'll take you guys along on a lot of the work projects. Also, some of the projects around the house and some of our adventures. We go camping a lot. We got a side-by-side this year. We used to have dirt bikes, but we wanted something that me and the fiance could do together consistently, safely, and just have a lot of fun. So got rid of the dirt bikes, got a side-by-side, so we'll be using that this year. We got it last year, but just she's in school, finishing up school, so didn't really find the time to use it much. So this year we'll take you guys along on some of those rides. But that'll be it for today's video. Stay tuned. Do have a new sound system for the side-by-side we got to get put on. Got it for Christmas this last year. Pretty excited about that. So I'll bring you guys on that journey too, because I haven't done car audio anything since high school, so should be fun. But stay tuned. If you guys like this type of stuff, follow along. It's not going to be just gutter content. It'll be a bunch of other stuff that we do throughout the summer. We like to have fun, so we go places, we do things. We'll take you along, so stay tuned. Have a good one.